Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Delta Airlines flight on the same day of travel. This is incredibly useful if your plans shift last minute or you simply want to catch an earlier or later flight without rebooking entirely. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to delta.com. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. Click on it and sign in to your Delta account using your credentials. This step is essential because it gives you access to your bookings and personalized options. After logging in, you'll be brought back to the Delta homepage. Here, locate and click on My Trips. This section is where all your upcoming and past reservations are stored. If you haven't logged in, you can still access your trip by entering your confirmation number or e-ticket number along with your last name in the fields provided. Once you've filled those in, click the red button to proceed. The page will then pull up your flight details. Now, since I don't have an actual ticket number ready for this demonstration, I'm going to explain what happens next once your flight details appear on the screen. You'll see your itinerary displayed with options to manage your booking. Look for a button labeled Change Flight or Modify Flight. Depending on how Delta's interface is organized at the time, you might also see an option that says Change or Add Flights. Click on whichever of these options is visible. Once you've clicked that, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can adjust your travel plans. Scroll down or navigate through the options until you find same-day change. This feature is only available if you're within 24 hours of your original departure time and you're looking to switch to another flight on the same day between the same cities. It's a handy tool for flexibility without major hassle. Next, you'll be prompted to select a new flight. Delta will show you a list of available flights departing earlier or later on the same day. Make sure the flight you choose has availability in your original fare class. You'll typically see two options here. Same day confirmed, which guarantees you a seat if one is available, or same day standby, which places you on a wait list if confirmed seats aren't open. Choose the option that works best for your situation. Before finalizing, take a moment to review any fees or fare differences that might apply. If you're a Delta Medallion member, same-day changes are often waived, but it's always good to double-check. If there's a fee, it will be clearly displayed on this screen. Once you've reviewed everything, click Next or continue to move through the availability confirmation screens. If a fee applies, you'll be asked to enter your payment details on the following page. After entering your information, click Submit or Confirm Change to finalize the update. Delta will process your request, and within moments you should receive an updated confirmation email along with your new e-ticket. If you've already checked in for your original flight, you may need to check in again for the new one. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Delta flight to a same-day option. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.